So guys, the independent drive, what's that about? Oh, why would I say that, you idiot? What's that all about? Half of your test will involve you doing an independent drive. Now that's going to make you follow some road signs for at least 20 minutes, or you'll be asked to listen to a sat-nav and follow its directions. 4 out of 5 of the tests now are going to involve you using a sat-nav, so it'll be a good idea for you to practice using that. Oh, well, that was awful. Tip 1, make sure you learn how to use your sat-nav before you set off. That's going to help you forward plan so that you can use it safely. Need a bit more funk going on. Tip 2, when you're using the sat-nav, adjust the volume as you need it, but remember you're listening to the sat-nav and you're following its instructions. You're not looking at it. You can occasionally glance at it, but you can't stare at it. You want to pay more attention to the road and listen to it. Tip number 3, make sure you position the sat-nav so you've got the best view possible. The examiners on the day will either place it on the dashboard or they'll place it on the windscreen. Learners quite frequently get caught out for speeding because they rely on the sat-nav. You should be relying on the road signs to tell you the speed. Yes! Oh my God!